Hey man, I'm trying to get the little strawberry thing y'all got. With the little strawberry whipped cream and stuff. He told me what it was. I pulled up to the one, that lady came to the one, she said, I had to come to the one. She said, you don't come here like that, do I? I said, I don't. I knew it was strawberry or something.
Yeah, next time I would say add some more. Add some more. Something now, yeah, a little bit more strawberry or something. She took sand.
Hey you guys, this is Mr. Allen coming back at you. Now listen, I know y'all don't see me that much on here. You know, got the wifey in the background talking. But listen, I know y'all don't see me on here as much, but hey, I'm always on the go, business as usual. And no worries, y'all be seeing me in more upcoming films. Look, while I'm on here though, let me go ahead and get this plug in. Y'all see that fresh line up right there? Y'all see that right there? That's courtesy of Opulence Grooming Lounge, Mobile, Alabama, located and owned by yours truly. Yes, yeah. So,
oh my goodness, what you talking about?
I'm talking to the people.
Don't be doing no business plug.
Listen, this is like with the Allens, and I'm gonna tell you about one of the Allens. Y'all always see this one. Here go this one right here. Listen.
Because I'm an angel.
Don't buy the hype, y'all. Don't buy the hype.
Let's talk about he went to Starbucks without me.
Okay, so what happened was I was riding down the street and something spoke to me.
Whatever.
And said you should stop by Starbucks and get something you hadn't had in a long time.
It's actually not good.
The blasphemy.
What is this? A strawberry cream frappuccino. It's not sweet enough. It don't have no strawberry flavor. And I know you paid $10 for this.
It was actually $6.
You tell people happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving.
Why you on here trying to tell them about your business?
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. Happy all that good stuff, you know.
You ready to eat?
Yeah.
What are you most excited to eat?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything.
I think I'm most excited about the sweet potatoes because I'm a sweet potato fan. And macaroni. And potato salad and ham. Okay, I'm naming everything at this point.
Everything.
So I got a question. When y'all eat y'all Thanksgiving dinner, do you just eat everything on one plate? Or do you like eat things in sessions? Like for example, I may do ham and potato salad, eat that. Then I go back and get my macaroni and my sweet potatoes. Like I like my food to be in combination. For some reason, I don't know, I'm like that. Are y'all like that? What?
That's too many trips. Put everything on one plate, get a plate big enough. Sit down, eat, and be happy.
First of all, I don't like my food to touch, so no.
But it's gonna touch when it go in your stomach.
I agree.
It touch when it get on your palate.
I mean, some things can touch, like my macaroni can touch my sweet potatoes because they go together, to me. And my potato salad can touch my ham because they go together.
Listen, let me talk to my men out there who don't care about that, like me. And some women.
Some men are picky.
The majority of them are not. So I'm gonna be an advocate for those. Put everything on one plate. You ain't gotta make all them trips, and you can be done. Eat up, you want seconds, go back.
If you say so. What y'all doing today? We just chilling. We are at the fam's house.
Yeah, we decided to do something a little different this year. You know, switch locations. Normally we hosted at our
Right. I'm
at our
so
house.
happy
So,
not to.
you know, after you get through
Even though I
having-
still had to cook.
well, you know,
But listen, I can eat and leave if I want to.
that's the beauty.
Eat and leave.
And grab it to go on your way out.
And that's what I plan to do.
Several.
So I won't have to do no dishes.
So listen, let me tell y'all something else too. Normally every year, it became now a tradition of mine that for the holidays, for Christmas and for Thanksgiving, whenever we come together as family, we always,
Cook too much food, really.
Cook too much food. So because a lot of you may not know, some years ago, before I met Mrs. Allen here, I was homeless. So we'll talk about that on another segment. But because of that, that's something that inspired me. And I was that for like 2.5 years. So because of that, that was something that inspired me to reach back out and give back. So I don't do it for fame. I don't do it for recognition or none of that. I merely do it because it was something that was gave to me, that was spoken to me by God, and I just feel like that it was the right thing to do. So and besides, it gives me something. It gives me something to do. It gives me something to give back, you know, to the community. And it's always been a dream of mine. I used to always tell her, man, you know, when I get a lot of money, I'm gonna do this. When I get a lot of money, I'm gonna do that. Well, it don't take a lot of money to give back. You know, it don't take a lot of money to do a whole lot of things that you want to do as far as giving back. All it takes is a big heart and
being intentional about what you
being
want to do.
intentional about it and not having a hidden agenda about it, and everything else will work out and flow like it's supposed to. So this year, of course, we'll be doing the same thing. If we get a chance to get you guys some footage, we'll do that. Now, this will be
We
the
don't want to
first
put
time.
anybody.
Right. This will be the first
Personal.
time ever, if we do it, that we do this. So, and if we do it, like she said, we most likely won't show their faces.
Did you tell the people what you do?
So what I do every year is, I thought I did, but just in case, what I do is I always take the food that we have left over, which a lot of times be a lot, because sometimes we intentionally, you know, we go over. And so I take the foods, I plate them up into go plates, we buy drinks, give silverware, and we take them down and we feed the homeless. You know, we hand everybody a plate. And if we run out and there's still people there, of course we go in our pockets and we spend, make sure we get something for them, because everybody's not fortunate enough to be in that position that we all are.
Right.
Sit down with family and be able to, you know, fellowship and socialize. So we would like to give that opportunity to them. And sometimes we sit down and have a conversation, all that stuff with them, just to make them feel a part, because they are. At the end of the day, they're still human. Life has just dealt them a hand. So
I love that. I love that you love to do that.
of course.
So he actually got me started doing. I wasn't doing it, but it's so fulfilling to be able to help people. So it always brings me joy when we have food to be able to bless people that are hungry. So yeah.
Yeah. So y'all notice as I turn to the side, y'all still see that. Yeah. I just want to throw that back out there. That's a good commercial break right there.
Oh my goodness.
Opulence Grooming Lounge. Check us out. Fellas, come check us out. Full service. Everything.
You done?
Yeah, we done.
Goodness.
But we ain't done.
We hope that you all are having an amazing day. We're just chilling. We plan on just relaxing, hanging out with our family and our friends. It's been so long since we got together. We're just going to pray that everybody is covered and protected. And we're going to eat and not cough on nobody.
Right.
And keep it going. How about that? So, to each his own. This is what we decided to do. And I don't know. We may pick the camera back up later and let y'all see our food. or see what we got planned for later on. How about that?
All
No?
right. Yeah, we can do that. So y'all stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned up.
Stay tuned.
They
Stay
might be
tuned
too
up.
full and sleep.
Yeah, they might be. And look, share this video. Share the page.
Oh yeah, I
Share the
always
page.
forget to say that.
Share the page. Spread the word. Like with the Allen's TV. We try to bring it as close to home as possible. Be
I
as
know, be
original
just
as possible.
relatable.
We try to
real.
just be nothing scripted. Just everyday. You know, just everyday living in the life of us.
You know,
So.
the people been giving good feedback. Y'all been giving good feedback about you like the channel and you feel like
Yeah. So
it's relatable content. So we appreciate that. This is new for us, and we are so grateful and thankful that you all have been receiving of us. It's been so much fun. It's so fulfilling. It's been so much fun. So we appreciate y'all for watching our videos, for liking it, for sharing, for comment. The feedback you give is very helpful. Seeing that this is new for us, so we've been enjoying it, and we plan on keeping it going. So with that, Mr. Allen, I got a question.
I'm just.
Somebody asked, were you doing Vlogmas?
Huh?
Do you know what? Look at that. He's so new. He don't even know what Vlogmas is. You know what Vlogmas is?
No, I don't. Yeah, fill me in.
Vlogmas
Fill me in
is-
YouTube.
Vlogmas is every December, YouTube creators, content creators, upload a video every day of December. So you can do every day up until Christmas. You can do. Now I've seen different people do different stuff, but I don't know.
I ain't gonna make y'all no promises, but we'll work on that. We'll work on that.
It's gonna be me deciding, because he be sleep while I edit videos. But yeah,
my
I've been
day starts
thinking about
early.
it.
My day starts at 4:30 every
Yeah.
morning. So
Yeah,
most Monday through Friday. So y'all don't see me. I'm not there
that is
getting
why.
in that way. So she been holding y'all over. I've been seeing the videos and my feedback. She been keeping y'all in tune. So we appreciate it for that.
Anytime, babe. So look, yeah, we about to sign out. We'll see y'all in the next clip.
All right.
Bye.